Welcome guys. Oh look, you can see a boat going behind me there. Yeah, today I'm gonna take you to Half Moon in Jamaica. Okay, so it's a little far cry from here, because here we are back in Canada, and it's a beautiful day, but I'm taking you to the Half Moon, and I'm going to do some footage and some images over 2 days, 2 separate days that we were there. Then my daughter and son were with me on one of the days, and just my son on one. And of course, both days I was with a very dear friend who has a season pass there. And if you're in Jamaica and you want to get a season pass, contact Half Moon, because it's really lovely to be able to just go there and enjoy the amenities for the day. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy this footage. Okay, and welcome back. This guy was so nice to us. He's been working at the resort for like 25 years, and he took us on a tour of the property way after hours. I don't really think they normally would do that, because we did ask another guy and he wouldn't do it, but this gentleman was so kind to us and took us on this little night ride through the property, and it was such a pleasant ride. So enjoy guys. Yes guys, let me tell you, nothing sweeter than a water coconut right here on the beach at Half Moon. This little pool here, not so little, but although there's a lot of people here today, it's still a very quiet, chill vibe here, you know. Good food, just relaxing, taking it all in. Look at this lovely, lovely view. And now I'm gonna drink my water coconut.
If I show you this, promise you can't send to Eric. I said.
So if you're in Jamaica and you're visiting, or you're Jamaican and you want to go to Half Moon and you don't want to buy a season pass, you can go to the gate and you can say that you're going to Haywood's restaurant at Eclipse. And if you're doing that, you want to go to the entrance that is further east, not the original entrance to Half Moon, but the one that is, you know, towards the east. And so it's the second entrance on your left if you're leaving Montego Bay. And you go in and you say you've come to Haywood's restaurant at Eclipse, and they'll let you in, and you can go in and you can have lunch and have a swim and so forth. So that's a little tip for you. And yeah, enjoy it, man. It was such a good place. Great fun. Guys, this has been such a beautiful bike ride around the grounds of Half Moon this evening, and the young people have kind of left us in the lurch, but they were in front there. Such a beautiful property. And there goes Josh. There he goes.
Thank you very much.
What's that? No. Not everybody wants to be in this video. But it's lovely, eh? So pretty, the golf carts running up and down in the grounds. Guys, I gotta go or I'm gonna get left. Getting a fall in. This is so beautiful. Oh, end of an amazing, yet another amazing day. What happened to you, Josh? Oh my gosh, my eldest and my youngest. Hope you guys enjoyed that trip to Half Moon. I certainly did, and my kids had a great time, and it was lovely to be with my friend and just to soak up, you know, just drinking the coconut water by the poolside, like it just, the whole thing, the beaches, the walk down the beach with the kids in the evening. It was such a special memory, and I'm so glad that we have the video to look back on, and I'm so glad that I was able to take you guys with us too. So I really hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe, drop a comment, like, share with your friend and family. You know, I really like to hear what you all have to say, and do share it with people and let them see we're talking about the beauty of Jamaica. Okay, love you guys, and thank you for all your support, and one love. See you on the next video.